Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys screen timeout setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you customize your screen timeout in your Realme phone. Friends, you want to customize your screen timeout in your Realme phone, so friends you can customize yourself. In this video I will show you guys your screen timeout setting in Realme phone. How can you use and guys how can you customize. So first of all guys open your phone setting to customize it. Then guys you can see your display and brightness settings. So friends tap here and guys scroll it. Then as you can see your auto screen of guys, we call it guys screen timeout. So friends, we will tap here. So friends, now you can see guys there are guys 5 and 6 screen timeout setting guys. You can customize yourself in your Realme phone, like 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 30 minutes. So guys, example if you take this 1 minute, so guys your phone have guys your suppose guys your phone screen is on. So guys after 1 minute guys your phone screen will off. But guys you want to customize into guys means guys you want to set into a 10 minutes. So guys you can customize from here means you can set your time 10-minute screen timeout setting from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to customize screen timeout in Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.